So I am ready to start getting some seeds sown, both inside and out. And I thought that I would come in before I concluded that video and show you my seeds. Hey, 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 look out. My camera. Girl, you need to move. Ginger wants to play with the camera. Anyways, I've noticed online a lot of people are showing their seed hauls for the year. They've purchased a bunch of seeds and got them all in. Well, I got some too, but I didn't get many. I got a few. For the most part, I have enough seeds to last me for several years, so I don't generally have to buy a lot, but I did get a few that I was running low on or I was out, so I thought I would show you what I've gotten. I got 2 packs. These are all from Baker Creek Seeds. 2 packs of paprika. I love to grow paprika peppers, and I use them a lot for my cooking. I got some purple cabbage. Ginger, don't bump my camera. I got some purple lettuce. I was out of chamomile, and boy, it don't feel like much is in here, but I got a pack of chamomile. I got some holy basil. 2 packs of, it's called patty pan. It's a scalloped squash. These are really good. This was a free gift from them for ordering, and it's tiny little, it's called spoon tomatoes. I've never grown these, but I'll give it a try. They look like little miniature cherry tomatoes. And some red okra. This is really good, and it actually grows faster and better than the green okra. I'll grow the green as well, but that's all the seeds that I ordered for the year. And with these, along with what I already have, I've got several, if not 3 or 4 years worth of seeds stocked up. So let me show you my seed collection. I've got them in all these cases. These are photo cases, and of course I like to decorate, so I put pretty little garden decorations on them. But with these cases, I can keep all my seeds organized, fairly organized. They get out of order. I keep them in alphabetical order, such as green beans, and the cases are of plastic, but they seal up pretty good. And there's room for several, either of the same varieties or different varieties of seeds. And I use a white paint pen, and I write particular information that I want to just keep on, you know, the top of my head, because I can't remember all the details of everything that goes into gardening and seeds. So important information like germination, how long it'll take, and the harvest time, and any special instructions. For example, beans have to be soaked overnight. And then I've got companions written on the back. Companion planting. So it's a list of all the things that can be planted near. On all these seeds, I have color codes. I don't know if it's easy to see on the camera. And I know the camera is probably backwards with the writing, but I have color codes on all of my seeds. These are dates that I can plant them. And so particular times of the year, everything that has these 2 colors, like for February, I have a particular color designated for February, so I can come in here and pull out all the seeds that have February's color. That way I can keep up with what needs to be planted, when it needs to be planted. In one of the cases, let me see, here it is. These are the months with the colors. So for January through March, I will set out, start things in the greenhouse that all have a green dot. And February through April would be a black dot, or a blue, or a red, or an orange and a gray. I even have a purple. This is for all year long. Because I do have a greenhouse, I can grow stuff all year. And these color codes help me keep up with when to set seeds out. So I have 3, 4, 5 of these cases. Most of them are vegetables, but I do have one case with herbs, one case plus this small container with, these are flower herbs, these are herbs. They're all herbs, but that's all the herbs, those 2 things there. And all of the cases are pretty full. And like I said, I've got enough to last me several years. And these are seeds I have collected for years and kept organized. These little containers like this, I have a bunch of these. Not everything is in here. I just brought things in to get organized for what I'm about to set out. But I have a bunch of these outside in my barn. This is just a small selection. These are flowers. And what I put them in are little plastic cases. These are chewing gum cases. The brand was Extra. I love these cases because they're very durable and they will hold several packs of seed. So I write on the case what they are. This is sunflower. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are empty. 16, 18. About 18 of these will stay in one case. And I have collected these things for 10 years. From the kids buying chewing gum, and whenever they buy chewing gum, they come in these cases, and I would not let them throw them away. I made them save them, and every time they had them, I just kept collecting them and using them for my seeds. Some of these seeds right here are very old because I've had them a long time. Because you don't have to plant the whole pack. And in this case, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sunflowers. So 1 or 2 out of each pack will, produce a lot of sunflowers. And then, like I said, I've got a bunch of these. I've probably got 5 or 6 of these particular totes that have flowers in the seed packet. Now, I've got some larger totes, the regular totes like you would pack things and store things in your attic in. And those are full of just loose seeds that I have saved from my garden. One tote in particular, large tote, is full of nothing but zinnia seeds. I don't throw any seeds away. I would rather plant them and take a chance just to see if they will sprout rather than throw them away. Even seeds that's accidentally gotten damp or wet, and I've done that. I've still planted them and had a pretty good germination rate. So don't throw any seeds away. Just because they're old or have some age on them does not mean they're not going to sprout.